If you are using AI tools for writing academic content or want to know about the best AI detector dedicated for academic writing, then this video is for you. In this video, I will share with you an amazing tool SciSpace, how to use it and how it is better than the other existing AI detectors in the market. I will be giving a live demo with different kind of content so that you can see the tool in action. Also, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Have you ever submitted a research paper, essay, or report and suddenly it got flagged as AI generated even when you actually wrote it yourself? Because most of the academic institutions want you not to use AI generated content. Or maybe you're on the other side as a professor or journal editor trying to figure out whether a student or author has used AI in their academic writings. And the problem is there are tons of AI detectors that give you totally different results. That is exactly the confusion most researchers and educators are facing right now. Also, there are a few academic AI writing tools, some of them are listed in the description of this video, that have become incredibly advanced that they can now generate entire literature reviews, research papers, review articles, and even reference lists that looks perfectly like human written. And because of that, detecting AI generated content and maintaining academic integrity has become harder than ever. Now, there are multiple popular AI detectors out there in the market like GPTZero, ZeroGPT, Quillbot, and Grammarly. But the issue is, most of them are general purpose tools. They are trained on casual internet writing like blog posts, reviews, social media posts, and not on academic and research based text. So, when you test something like a research paper full of citations, technical terms, and structured arguments, these detectors may either give false positives or fails to catch actual AI content. That's why I was searching for an AI tool that's built specifically for detecting AI content in academic writings. And I found this tool named SciSpace, which is popularly known for finding, summarizing, and writing academic content. Recently, it has launched its new feature, AI Detector, that is trained on curated dataset of research papers across diverse disciplines including biology, physics, computer science, social science, and others. That means the tool understands how academic writing actually sounds, the tone, citation pattern, and logical flow of the arguments. Now let's see a live demo of how exactly the AI detector works and see if it is really efficient enough in detecting AI content. I will be using different types of AI content generated using different AI platforms, like a short research abstract generated by ChatGPT, an essay paragraph from Perplexity, a summary written by Gemini, and a small section from a real, manually written research paper to check the efficacy of the tool for detecting AI generated content and also the ability of avoiding the false negatives, which is also really important. Now let's check this out one by one. Alright, here is the first one, checking the ChatGPT generated research abstract for AI content using SciSpace AI Detector. At the bottom, you have the option to choose between scientific and non-scientific content. You can also upload the manuscript file and get it scanned. SciSpace AI Detector flags it to be 100% AI generated with no human contribution. It highlights the text based on the likelihood of AI generated text. At the bottom, it also helps you how to improve your AI score by paraphrasing, changing the tone, and improving the grammar. Next, I have checked the essay generated using Perplexity. Again, clearly flagged 22 out of 23 sentences to be AI generated. Now, this one is the Gemini generated summary. Still precisely detected the AI content. Next, I also asked ChatGPT to humanize the same abstract I used previously for AI detection. I will now use this output to check if it can bypass the AI detector. Let's analyze again. You can see SciSpace AI Detector still easily flags it to be AI generated and shows which region seems to be AI written. And finally, here is the manually written piece from an actual research paper. This is also important to check the manually written text, as AI detectors also falsely detects human written content as AI generated. So let's see how SciSpace deals with it. The results showed it to be almost human written, as I myself wrote it, but there can be a few sentences that may sound AI-like, which can be easily dealt with. So this is how the actual academic AI detector should be finding the AI content while passing the human written content. SciSpace Group has also conducted a large-scale benchmarking study to back this up. The study aimed to evaluate the SciSpace AI detector's performance in detecting AI-generated text, particularly in scholarly and general writing, and to compare it against four other commercial AI detectors, namely GPT-Zero, ZeroGPT, Grammarly, and Quillbot, across four different content types generated using 5 different AI generation models. The evaluation was performed on 4,000 AI generated samples, including 800 unique base samples across 4 content domains, which are research papers, essays, news, and summaries. These samples were generated using 5 leading language models like Cloud, Gemini, Cloud Opus, Gemini Pro 2.5, and OpenAI. And here I will show you the key findings. You can read the entire benchmark study for more details. SciSpace AI Detector achieved state-of-art performance with 96.2% F1 score on research paper text and 93.2% F1 score overall across all content domains, outperforming general purpose detectors. Not only did SciSpace outperform everyone else on research papers, but it also stayed strong across essays and summaries, which shows how well its academic training generalizes over general writing. After testing it myself, I would say SciSpace really fills a gap that has been missing for a while in academic AI detection. If you are a student, a researcher, or even an educator, this is a tool that actually understands the structure of academic writing and gives precise AI detection with less false positives. It also highlights a section that you can consider paraphrasing or rewriting to sound it more human-like. But AI Detector is just one of the dozens of features. You must check out the latest AI agent of SciSpace. It is the first research agent of its kind that lets you automate majority of your research work, from idea generation, creating outlines, searching the literature, to drafting the paper, adding the citations, and creating the presentations. And the best part is that you find hundreds of dedicated agents for variety of research tasks, so that you don't even have to write the prompt from the scratch. For example, if you want to extract or analyze your data, you can choose the relevant agent, and the agent will perform that task for you even without writing your own prompt. You can click on output to see which prompt the agent is using in the right and what output it generates in the left. If you want to use the agent for your work, you can simply click on Run Task. Similarly, you will find agents for literature review or writing papers and research grants, finding suitable journal, and performing deep search. The SciSpace also provides a library of agents with pre-written prompts for different research needs. If you wish, you can always customize these prompts. If you want to try out the tool, I have provided the link in the description along with the discount code for you. Try uploading your own research paper or essay or even the AI generated text and see how it performs. I would love to hear from you in the comments about the experience with the AI detector. SciSpace also offers other features like chat with the PDF, summarize the papers, write literature reviews, and other AI writings, presentation generator that I have covered in my another videos. Further, if you want to learn more about academic and research related topics and AI tools to improve your productivity and make your work easier, you can subscribe Explore Bio and join my channel membership for extra perks.